Aromatic ginger. Aromatic ginger is a common herb used in Indonesian cuisines. The rhizome resembles ginger but possesses different and distinctive flavor. It possesses a strong taste with pungent aftertaste. It is a source of zinc, ethyl ester, starch, borneol, periumarin, cinnamic acid, mineral, and other nutrition. Health benefits of aromatic ginger. Increased energy. Aromatic ginger promotes energy. Boil 2 centimeters of aromatic ginger with a glass of water and drink this before sleep. Furthermore, Japanese and Tibetan incense formulas contain this rhizome especially to enhance energy awareness, create peaceful environment, and overcome exhaustion. Enhance appetite. Aromatic ginger has carminative property which helps to enhance appetite. Lowers bad cholesterol. Aromatic ginger promotes the production of bile in the body. The bile is responsible for absorption of nutrients. Eliminate toxins such as bad cholesterol. Source of antioxidant. Antioxidant eliminates free radical and viruses. This makes aromatic ginger beneficial for immunity. Cure for cough. Aromatic ginger solution is a cure for coughing symptoms. Wash roots, peel it, and grate them. Twist the cloth with aromatic ginger and extract the juice. Add lime juice and honey to taste and drink aromatic ginger syrup thrice a day till the symptoms recede. Reduce bloating. Wash and eat raw aromatic ginger with salt and wash with warm water. Boil 3 centimeters of aromatic ginger roots with a glass of water. Drink the solution or eat root twice a day by preventing bloating. Treats sprained muscle. Mix 1 aromatic ginger rhizome with mashed raw rice. Apply it to affected area. From now on, you can store camphor in your home to maintain health. Thank you for watching. I hope this is useful for you. See you again.